Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth template comparison review between these two best website builder, which is Durable and Appy. So I'm just gonna dive into it and try to review the pros and cons about these two website builder to help you decide which of these website can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. So talking about Durable shines for speed and simplicity. It builds a sleek, ready-to-use website in seconds using AI. Also, it's a perfect for entrepreneurs who want to result fast without design stress. However, it lacks deep customization and advanced features, which may limit growing businesses. Talking about Appy, on the other hand, offer more flexibility with template integrations and e-commerce tools. It's user-friendly but can feel slower and less refined than Durable. So in my own opinion, choose Durable for quick, no-frills site, and Appy if you prefer more control and more future. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.